I've kind of grown up on boats, and especially being in the southwest, I feel like a big tie to boating into the ocean as well. So when everything kind of came up with Princess, it felt like a really nice natural progression. And I think kind of consequently that a lot of the nautical themes kind of come into my designs without me really realising. The materials from Princess work amazing for bags. You know, the panelling on the boats is massive, so the offcuts from that to then translate into fashion is perfect. Like, you have that like transition between those pieces. I know lots of designers like to, you know, like sketch and curate designs that way, but I kind of really like to feel the material for the textures, the weight of it, and then design from that. I want to make sure that the pieces are super functional and wearable as well. I want to create these pieces that are going to last and going to be functional. Eventually, I'd love to have a brand where, you know, I can employ, you know, whether that's graduates from your local area, and I really want to keep it a Southwest-based brand. And then bigger picture thinking, would definitely love to kind of have a fashion house that is able to support like local economy and local students and graduates, and kind of build up that creative network in the Southwest. And I think that's kind of why I've stayed here so long as well, because desperate to still be a part of that network. So yeah, really grateful to the associate program as well.
For me, the Workroom Grow programme came up at the perfect timing. I was provided with the structure, support and space that I needed to grow my brand with confidence. I received expert advice, had access to the amazing facilities, and was able to grow a creative network right here in the city. So my advice to graduates and alumni looking to turn their dreams into something real is this is where it starts.